Hello, welcome to another video. So today we are on the Voge 800. We're going to try and update the software following the MotoGB instructions. So this is a software update which should hopefully fix the miles per gallon being stuck on 25.5 and give us a true mile per gallon reading. So let's just get straight on with it. So I'm going to be using my Android phone here because I'm using my Apple iPhone to actually do the recording. So I've got a Android here which I'm going to do the upgrade with if I can. So the instructions say to press up, and then this gives us the account and whatnot there. So first of all, you might as well use your phone to set the personal hotspot to be enabled. And then we want to go into the Voge global app and log into that. And then you want to be going on here, going down to vehicle upgrade. Then it says, please check the name and password of your hotspot and make sure that they match. Okay, so we need to go and set that up. Go into the Wi-Fi hotspot, hotspot name. I take it that's the account. So I'm going to change that to Voge -009130. Okay. Password is loads of 8s. I don't know how many 8s, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so now we're going to go back to the, I don't know where we're going back to. We're going back to the Voge Global, waiting for connection successful. Please select vehicle, check for updates, current version. See, that's got 2 at the end and 2 at the end. Waiting for transmission. Right, let's just click update now. Do you want to start updating? Yes. So this is just downloading now. I'll come back to you when that's finished downloading. So we've finished downloading and now we are transferring. So it's showing there that the current version on my bike ends in 02 and the version that it's currently installing is 0.03. I believe there is a 0.04, but I don't know if that's been pulled whilst they make some adjustments, and we're back to 03. That's the first file almost transferred now, 88%, 98%, 99%, 100%. And then that says transmission complete. And now we are on to the next one, which is the MCU. And that one's loading quite quickly. We're already at 30% there with me jibber jabbering on. Right, the instrument is currently being upgraded. And then what? I didn't see that. Oh, here we go. Confirm whether you want to, well, it asked if I wanted to upgrade. Okay, do we want to upgrade? Okay, yes. So that's us booting back up now, and I think that's it done. Right, so let's go down to this version and see what it says. So there we go, it's now showing 0.03 and 0.03. So I'm saying that's done. So there we can see the miles per gallon has now gone to dashes as the average speed and the total time. So we will go and give this a ride now and see if the miles per gallon come back. It's not very often I'll say it's too bright, but apologies, it's hard not to get a reflection on that dash. But whilst the weather's good, let's go for a ride. Well, the first thing we need to do is go and get fuel, because updating that procedure there seems to have made the fuel gauge flash totally empty, and I made the mistake of not checking before we started how much fuel was in. So the first job, get to the fuel station, we'll fill it up right to the brim, and then we'll see how much it actually had in it, and then we'll also know we're starting from a full tank and see what the gauge actually goes up to. I've got polarized sunglasses on and I cannot see the dash at all. The screen is just completely black. No idea what's going on. Oh look, it comes back when I do that. Well, we've made it to the fuel station, so we can't have been that empty. But let's get it filled up right to the brim and see where we are. Right, we did it. 18 litres exactly. Right, as you can see, that's the fuel gauge right up at full now, and the trip is at 184.5. So we've done 184.5 miles on 18 litres. We'll go into the trip reset. We'll reset trip A, and we still have 25.5 miles to the gallon. So we'll see what that says after we've done some miles. So yeah, it's a shame you can't actually read the miles per gallon or any of the dash info whilst you're actually riding, but we'll do some miles now. I'm just going to go steady, go up the coast and see what that mile per gallon reading changes to. It was funny that it was still on 25.5 then when we checked. Right, I'm back. We've been up the coast road now. We are on 19 miles. It's been a mixture of getting out of town and then 40, 50, 60 miles an hour on like back B roads. Probably the most economical I've ever ridden this bike, to be honest. But that's probably also because I knew I was doing this test. So there's absolutely no way that we've only been averaging 25.5 miles to the gallon. I would expect it to be closer to 60 miles to the gallon, maybe 55 to 60. So we're going to stop in half a mile's time. I'm going to try and find a lay-by to stop in, see if I can stop exactly 20 miles. And I want to know what you think. Put in the comments now before you've watched the rest of this. What do you think the miles per gallon is going to say on the dash when we stop in 0.4 of a mile's time? And we are here. We have stopped in a lay-by. As you can see, we've done exactly 20 miles on that trip. Let's just turn the ignition off and have a little look at the display. Enter information, basic information. Here we go, the moment of truth. 25.5. Wow, it's done absolutely fuck all. Oh well, back to base I guess. Not sure what I can possibly do or say about that. Well, I'm heading back home now with a slightly bitter taste in my mouth. That was a complete waste of time. But as ever, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully next time it'll be a bit more successful. Let me know if you've updated yours and how well did that work. But for now, I'm going to call that a day. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you later. Cheers. Bye bye. Just one last thing. I did try putting the trip A miles per gallon and the total miles per gallon on, see if that made a difference, but it's not made any difference at all. So now we've got trip A miles per gallon 25.5 and trip B miles per gallon 20.5 and total miles per gallon 25.5. So no matter what I do, it makes shite no difference, and that was a waste of time.